Hey guys, so as we all know that only 3 months are left for upcoming INICET November exam. So today I'd like to discuss the strategy for the same. First thing is most of you have given your NEET PG exam and I hope you all be getting a good rank in the exam. So the importance of this INICET November is that a lot of people will be getting a good rank in NEET will not be preparing well for the INICET exam. Also, जिसको seat मिल जाएगी through NEET won't that be motivated to prepare for the INICET. So you'll be having the golden opportunity in this INICET exam and you have to grab it. So let us discuss about how to prepare for the INICET in these 3 months. So suppose all of you must have read your notes at least once or twice for the NEET PG. So I'll start the preparation strategy from there. So you will be having 3 months. You have to divide it such that you can revise twice. So for initial 1.5 to 2 months, you have to do one revision, and in the last 1 month, you have to do one revision again. You should be doing two revisions. Apart from it, you should be focusing more on weaker subjects initially because अभी slow phase है. You have given your NEET PG, INICET में भी time है. So focus on your weak subjects. जो भी आपको लगता था NEET PG में कि these were your weak subjects या जिनके आप videos नहीं देख पाए या जिनके you think that you need to see videos again. Just focus on them first because अभी slow phase है. Slow phase में you can build concepts because last के 1.5 to 2 months में you won't be having time to build concepts. एज वेल एज आपका माइंड भी इतना रिलैक्स नहीं होगा टू गेन कॉन्सेप्ट्स. सो बेटर टू फोकस ऑन वीकर सब्जेक्ट्स नाउ so that you can revise the old notes later on, as well as start doing PYQs of INICET from today only. Focus on PYQs of INICET क्योंकि नीट और FMG के PYQs आपने कहीं ना कहीं नीट से पहले किए होंगे, एंड स्टार्ट गिविंग INICET GTs अभी से because there won't be a lot of time left later on because 3 months से अगर लास्ट के 15 days में भी आप GT नहीं देते हो तो you will be having like 2.5 months. अगर आप वीकली या 10 days पे भी GT देते हो तो you can give only 7 to 8 GTs. So start giving GTs अभी से. Don't think कि आप एक बार रिवाइज कर लो उसके बाद you will start giving GTs because that will be very late. अभी आपने नीट के लिए पढ़ा है, यू गिवन योर नीट PG एग्जाम, सो डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं आपके सारे सब्जेक्ट्स एक बार टच्ड हैं. स्टार्ट गिविंग GTs फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन. बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है नहीं इन नीट PG एज वेल एज INICET प्रिपरेशन. द मेन डिफरेंस इज इन माइंड सेट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट थोड़ा बहुत क्वेश्चंस मतलब सब्जेक्ट वाइज वेटेज का डिफरेंस है, एंड मे बी द लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस और द वे ऑफ आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस, नॉट मच. सो डोंट थिंक कि आपने नीट PG के लिए प्रिपेयर किया, INICET के लिए स्पेसिफिकली नहीं किया तो यू वॉन्ट बी, you have to work hard a lot. It's not like that. The syllabus is almost same. The strategy should almost be the same. There should be a slight difference in your mindset as well as the practicing of Q banks and practicing of grand test, because again grand test when you'll attempt you'll see the difference in the level of questions or the way of asking questions that is there. Like in INICET they have a tendency to ask these kind of questions more, like they'll give 4 options and then they'll give ask which of the following are true, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, like these. So it will, you know uh, these kind of questions take more knowledge as well as they will consume more time. So you should have thorough knowledge of that particular topic to solve these kind of questions. The topic will be same, the options will be the same, but again the way of asking is different. That's why there's more chances of you getting them wrong, as well as the negative marking is on the higher side, so you will be more cautious too. So you don't have to be like कि बहुत कम अटैम्प्ट करने हैं, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सारे ही अटैम्प्ट करने हैं INICET, बट द टारगेट शुड बी एटलीस्ट 180 प्लस इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग अ रैंक अंडर 100. नाउ एज फार एज 20th कॉपी इज कंसर्न, वॉलेटाइल टॉपिक्स INICET में भी उतने ही आते हैं जितने नीट PG में आते हैं. तो जो भी 20th कॉपी यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड और द BTR दैट यू आर वर्किंग विद, यू शुड बी फोकसिंग ऑन दैट जैसे नीट में किया था. एज वेल एज इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आर स्लाइटली ऑन द हायर साइड इन INICET, ऑल्दो इस बार नीट में भी देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. सो फोकस ऑन इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन फॉर INICET टू. एंड एज we all know that first and second year subjects are asked more in INICET, so you should be focusing on more on first and second year subjects because the weightage is slightly on the higher side, although the level of questions will be the same, the topics will be the same, but the way of asking questions as well as the weightage will be different. So just don't think that there will be a lot of changes in your preparation from NEET PG or maybe the syllabus. It's almost the same. The difference should be in your mindset as well as your slight change in strategy. All the really best for the exam.